Hey guys, Chuck Archer from B101.5, and like many of you, working from home during the coronavirus pandemic, but that hasn't stopped us from recording some Secret Sound. So I enlisted some help for Secret Sound number 2. So I got my son Chase and my wife Kimberly, and we recorded Secret Sound number 2. Here it is now. We had to be careful that nothing happened to that roll of toilet paper while it was going down the stairs, because toilet paper is like gold right now, so we wanted to make sure it stayed intact the whole time. But we had a lot of fun doing it. Secret Sound number 3 is coming up next, and my thanks to J&J Tile and Marble, America's Choice Mortgage, and Amy Cherry Taylor of Avery Hess Realtors for sponsoring the $500 Secret Sound contest. So be listening for Secret Sound number 3.